Today, all 5 layers run together for the first time, not as separate ideas, as one system, one kitchen, one full week from Sunday through Saturday. I'm Vanessa. This is Prep and Purpose. And this is the episode where everything clicks. Sunday morning, 45 minutes. Fridge first. Everything forward, urgency to the front. Produce off the drawer and onto the shelf. 10 minutes. Base next. Ground beef. Right amount for your household. Salt when done. Label container on the middle shelf. While it cooks, pantry and freezer check. Rice stocked. Canned tomatoes confirmed. Frozen vegetables ready to pull as the week needs them. Emergency meal section confirmed. Magic number in place. Any excess base flattened to a label quart bag in the freezer. 45 minutes. Week funded. Monday, beef over rice with broccoli. 10 minutes. Tuesday, tacos. 10 minutes. Wednesday, beef into soup with canned tomatoes. 15 minutes. Thursday, beef over rice with a different sauce. 10 minutes. Friday, beef into pasta. 15 minutes. Saturday, last of the base over a salad. 8 minutes. 6 nights, 1 base. 6 directions. 0 nights without a protein. 0 settling. The emergency meals sat in the freezer untouched all week. Exactly where they belong on a week the system ran correctly. Untouched is not a sign that a layer is unnecessary. It is a sign that the system worked. Here is what each layer is doing. Visibility kept everything findable and nothing went to waste. The base carried every dinner from Monday through Saturday. Supports took the base in 6 different directions without any additional cooking. The emergency section protected the week without being needed. The reset funded everything before the week started. All 5 layers, all 5 jobs, 1 kitchen. To run your own first full system this week, this Sunday, visibility pass, base cooked in the right amount for your household, supports confirmed, emergency count checked, excess base in quart bags. 45 minutes. If the amount is not perfect yet, that is fine. The system learns with you. Every week gives you better data. By week 4, you will not have to think about it. You just have to start this Sunday. Coming up, what this system does to your head, not just to your kitchen. Reduce decisions, install structure, and as always, steward what you have, serve where you are, and you'll always have what you need to rescue yourself. Prep with purpose.